Ito.
So ano po mga name niyo po, mga beautiful ladies?
I am Percy from PSU Infanta.
Hey.
I'm X.
Apo.
I'm Roma.
Hello po. So how was your stay here in Bakasyonan Resort and Conference Center?
We find your staff very accommodating, and the place is cozy.
And for a very short period of time, they accommodate us and they give us a very nice accommodation, and as well as the team building activities are good.
Yes. And another thing is, it is very relaxable. And I would like to recommend the rooms, for it is very neat. Your staffs are very attentive when it comes to our needs. Yes, so that's why I recommend Iba Bakasyonan.
Yes. From what ano po kayo? Company po ba kayo or university or?
Yes.
University, we're from Pangasinan
Pangasinan
State
State University
University,
Infanta
Infanta.
Campus.
So saan po kayo, ano po yung inano niyo dito, activity po na pinaka nagustuhan niyo po?
Actually, we are hitting 3 birds in one stone. First, we have our knowledge exploration at the Prim Subotolan. Next is our benchmarking activity, and of course, the team building and the Bi-Campus annual planning.
So yung team building niyo po is dito po?
Yes, and what I like most about here is the obstacles that was held just this morning. We enjoyed it a lot.
And of course, the food.
How many days po kayo nagstay?
We have 2 days and 1 night.
2 days and 1 night. So, na-mention niyo po yung food. How was the food po?
The food was great. It's not that expensive. And I really find it good enough to accommodate some other groups.
Okay,
Less hassle.
yeah.
Less hassle.
Aside from that is, I find the yung pagkatakal ng food is so generous.
And the waiter.
Is so accommodating to us.
So yung papunta po dito, how was your experience po?
It is just 1 hour away from our campus, from our university. So the time was set and the schedule was meet. So
Hassle-free po yung travel experience niyo. So how many are you po na nagstay dito? 50, wow.
50 employees, including faculty and teachers.
Yes, and aside from that, we got discount.
With discounts, yes. Okay. We're very happy, ma'am, that you enjoyed your stay here.
Yes, we're also happy.
This is we are from Region 1 and this is Region 2, but we have the boundary kasi, so hindi siya ganun kalayo. Very accommodating, mura, and nice experience.
Thank you po. Next time po, dito ulit kayo.
Welcome back.
Makapunta kami dito ng different, yung we're family.
Family naman, yeah.
Because we would like to try your restaurant.
Yes,
We're
okay.
not able to try it.
So we have our thank you so much.
So, thank you po.
God bless.